It's new model day for Anthropic. We've got Claude Opus 4.5 just dropped today, November 24th. And the thing that immediately surprised me was the fact that the new model, Opus 4.5, is the default recommended model. And if you read through the blog post, you'll find out why that probably is. Not only is it supposed to be more intelligent and efficient, it scores higher on the software engineering bench, so 80.9% versus 77.2 for Sonnet 4.5. But in this blog post, they make clear that Opus also uses fewer tokens than Sonnet 4.5, and they've even got the ability for, in the API at least, you're able to set an effort level. So I think Opus 4.5 runs at medium effort in Claude Code, and you can see that that is sort of on par with Sonnet 4.5, but at the same time using dramatically fewer tokens. They even mention here 48% fewer tokens than a similar performance in Sonnet 4.5. So this should be a really great model and hopefully as good as people found Opus 4.1 to be. So today I'm going to try this out a little bit. I actually have a little SaaS kit here that I've been kind of working on with Sonnet 4.5. This is building on top of a pattern in Cloudflare called Actors, which is sort of in beta still. And last time I left this project, I kind of left it in a really broken state. So you can see the buttons are kind of just broken here. The demos are broken. I can't really use them. They're kind of messed up. So I'm going to just throw Opus at this and see what it can do and see if it can help me fix some of this stuff. So if I come over here, I'll type in Claude and you can see Opus 4.5. So the project we're in right now is a SaaS kit built on top of Cloudflare and the Actors pattern. So explore the project a little bit to understand what's going on. And then we need to figure out why our demos are not working, including the sign-in and all of the live demos on the main dashboard page or the main landing page are not working. So we need to investigate why that is and fix it. All right, let's give it a try and see what we can do here. I'll just put it in plan mode as well. So you can see now it's using the Explore subagent and it's going to explore around in this project and we'll say proceed. So I'll let it do its thing there. I'll go ahead and show you the repo for this Cloudflare Actors, and kind of just what it is a way to build on Cloudflare using durable objects. So in this repo, they have a lot of different sort of building blocks to build easily on Cloudflare durable objects. You can use RPC with your actors, so kind of calling directly into an actor and its methods, and just a bunch of other built-in components or features that speed up development. The SaaS toolkit that I've been working on builds on top of this. So we'll see where Opus is. So, okay, understand the issue. Let me check the organization actor to see what methods are missing. There's 31 TypeScript errors in the server code that would prevent the server. Okay, that'll probably do it. Let's see what else it can come up with here. All right, the core issues is the TypeScript compilation errors, likely preventing the server from building and running. Let me create a comprehensive plan. Interesting. So it wrote a plan to a file here. All right, root cause is the TypeScript errors. Good news is the demo routes themselves are correctly implemented. They just can't run. All right, so let's see. How would you like me to handle the admin routes? So this is the last kind of bit that I was working on last time I left off on this project. So let's see, fix properly, add the missing studio methods to the actors to fix all the type issues, remove the routes, or minimal fix. Let's go ahead and say fix properly and see if that can get through it. Okay, so it's gonna start chewing away at these errors and we'll see how it does. All the type errors are fixed and we'll see test demos and sign in. Okay, so let's see if this works at all. So we can connect. Good. Hello world. Excellent. And we've got our to-dos back. We can click a to-do. Not quite working there. Let's see if we could add one. No, that's not working. Let's try our D1. No, that's not working. Let's try refreshing this here. The WebSocket works. There we go. Hello, YouTube. Nice. Okay, now we've got some demoable stuff here. We can query D1, store random value, view stored. Okay, that looks to be all working. Let's see if the sign in was fixed here. Sign in with Google. There we go. Signed in and authenticated. So let's go back to the demos and connect. Testing. There we go. Awesome. That was great. So yeah, Opus really did a great job there. It fixed all of the issues. Yeah, everything seems to be working now. So that's awesome. Let me know what you think. Have you tried Opus yet? Leave a comment down below if you're interested more in hearing about this SaaS kit and if you'd like to use something like that. I'm still really early in the development of it and just mostly started building it to explore Cloudflare and durable objects. So let me know if you'd like to see more on this as well. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you found it useful and consider subscribing for more in the future. Thanks.